We've finally arrived in Port Ginesta, here in Spain, thanks to Eve, who's acting as our driver, let's put it that way. With me is Marco Ackler from No Marine, and we're about to test this beautiful Swift Trawler 37. Brand new, brand new, brand new. Yes, of course, absolutely, certainly. I'll tell you right away that this will be a technical sea trial, because if you want to see all the cabins and the boat's configuration, in other words, the layout, as the cool people say, you just need to watch until the end of the video. You'll see a banner and there will be a dedicated video where we describe everything about the boat. Above, below, inside, outside, everywhere. But right now, I want to take advantage of the time we have, thanks to Beneteau, to test the boat at sea. Let's go. Just a reminder, we're on a boat that's 11.3 meters long and 4 meters wide, and it's powered by a single shaft-driven engine with a propeller, so the entire engine is inside. There's just the 440 horsepower propeller. This is a boat designed for enjoying the sea, so it's not about performance or speed. If you want to enjoy the sea and live in close contact with the water, this is the right boat for you. In the test, they told me they've tried it up to 19 knots. Now we'll see its speed. Its sweet spot is 8 to 10 knots. Let's say around 10, which is really the perfect speed for this type of boat. So let's go test it. Enough talking, I'm getting tired. I'm at the helm, gear engaged. Let's start pushing the throttle and have some fun. Follow us. Just be right back in a moment. Give you some data just so you can figure out if this boat is right for you. 9.9 knots, so let's round it up. Let's be generous and say 10. 10 knots, 2,300, 2,400 RPM, 2,397, so 2,400 RPM at 39 liters per hour. So we can cover a lot of miles, considering we're moving a boat that's over 11 meters long. But let's also try pushing the throttle, since I've been told it can go much faster. Let's go. By the way, the sea is a bit rough too. We've got about 1.8 meters of waves. The boat is basically planing now. You can tell from the wake. 17 knots and it's still climbing. Unfortunately, 90 liters per hour at 3,300 RPM. No, I really mean it. Honestly, I promise, I assure you. But let's ask, and I'll take advantage of Marco being here. He's a sailor through and through. If this boat too could be, as we've said in other videos, the ideal boat for a sailor.
The feeling is definitely one of great stability and power. We actually have a bit of a long swell, and the boat handles it in an extremely comfortable way. Right now, we're going at a speed similar to that of a sailboat. So we're moving at 7.5 knots and consuming 14 liters per hour. So yes, that's slightly higher than what you might see in a direct comparison with a sailboat, but the weight involved here and the mass being transported are on a whole different level. This is truly a floating house that we're bringing along with us. I think my sailor friends would be satisfied.
They're my sailor friends too, not just yours.
They could quite likely be satisfied with this particular boat as it is.
Perfect, thank you. Let me remind you that at the end of this video, there will be a link to go directly to the video where we show all the interiors of the boat. So in the other video, you'll see all the features of the boat's configuration. But as for the test, we've done it. I hope you enjoyed it. I had some doubts, but they've all been cleared up. And if you're thinking about sailing at sea, covering many miles, spending a lot of time at sea, well, here you're doing it on a Trawler 37 in an excellent way and like a true gentleman. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel so you won't even miss our Nautica in Pilole segments. It's true that thanks are given at the end, so we're at the end and I'm giving them now. I want to thank Beneteau for giving us the opportunity to test this boat, Eve, who kindly took us out to sea, Marco Ackler from Neo Marine, my friend and close collaborator, as well as a Beneteau official himself. From slightly choppy seas in front of the Beneteau Test Center in Barcelona at Port Ginesta, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.